Here's an example of a problem where we need to use Newton's second law as well as kinematics. The kinematics that we'll be using is one-dimensional motion. Here I will assume that the x direction is to the positive x. And where we will need Newton's second law is to determine an acceleration provided that the force that can be exerted on a boat is at maximum 8 times 10 to the fourth newtons. Because we're in one dimension and there is only one force, we have a very simple relationship between force and acceleration. Force is equal to mass times acceleration.